my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious recipe. Fried whole beans that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. Let me tell you about this recipe. This recipe has very few ingredients, but the flavor of your beans, nice and toasted, really tastes amazing. How can you enjoy it? You could enjoy it on top of rice. You could enjoy it just like that, nice and crispy with sour cream, with queso fresco. These ingredients are very simple, but let me tell you, they give the beans such an amazing flavor. Of course, we're going to dice one whole white onion. We're going to chop in small little pieces the mint, very small, so that it really incorporates into the beans when they are frying. So let me tell you another thing. You don't need a spatula. You don't need to move it with anything. You're just going to be tossing them. Salt to taste. Mint, 3 tablespoons. One whole onion chopped. 1/4 of a cup of onion, of oil, and 3 cups of beans. I'm using pinto beans with no liquid. I'm going to add the oil first. The stove is on in high heat. I'm going to add my beans, and I am just going to leave it here for about 5 minutes. The beans are going to start releasing the liquid. It's going to take about 5 minutes. There's no need to stir, no need to move, just move the whole pan. Look at this. You could really see all the liquid that the beans are releasing. After those 5 minutes, you're going to notice they're starting to get nice and crispy, especially the edges. Once you see this, you're going to toss them, but never use a spoon or a spatula. Add your onion. Don't add the mint. Leave the mint towards the end. And what are we going to do? We're going to toss them until all the beans get nice and crispy, and even the onion. The onion is going to caramelize. It's going to give these beans such an amazing flavor. A pinch of salt right on the top so that the onion really absorbs the salt, and we continue cooking in high heat. After another 5 minutes, you're going to notice that the onion is getting translucent and it's even getting caramelized. Continue just tossing. Leave it alone for another 3-4 minutes and then continue tossing. Never use a spoon. Here I want to show you that the beans are already getting really crispy. The onion is translucent. The onion is getting caramelized. Once you see this, just like this, toss them one more time and then add your mint. Look at this. You're going to add all your mint. You're going to toss it one more time to incorporate the mint into the beans and the onion. Cook it for another 3 minutes, and then this is done. A very easy, simple, very few ingredients, but the taste of the beans come out so delicious and amazing. Imagine eating a taco with these beans. Just perfection made at home. We cook these beans very often here at home, and my family loves them. This is a recipe from El Salvador. You know, my husband is from El Salvador, and they love frying these beans just as I fried them today. I hope, my friends, you make them, you enjoy them with your beautiful family. like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you in just a little bit. Can't wait to enjoy. My friends, I am completely done with these crispy whole beans. Let me tell you, it's a very easy and simple recipe, but the beans come out so delicious and amazing. You could enjoy them on top of white rice. You could enjoy it just with sour cream and queso fresco, or you could enjoy it just with a tortilla, just like I'm going to enjoy it today. Let me show you. Nice and crispy and delicious. Excuse me. Mmm. Mmm. So delicious. Mmm. Amazing. A very traditional and delicious recipe made at home with lots of love. Mm. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push the notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. I will stay enjoying these crispy whole beans, an easy and delicious recipe. See you soon. Bye bye.